private Telegram channels have limits, but what if you could bypass them? Meet MDGram, the app that lets you copy, forward, and screen record where Telegram won't. Let's explore. First, join our Telegram channel. Now, join the chat group linked to the channel. Once you're in, type this exactly, MDGram. Yep, make sure it's the same as I said, no extra spaces or changes. Then send the message. You should get a message with an APK file. Download and install it on your phone. Open the app and log in with your Telegram account. Once you're in, you'll notice all the restrictions are gone to copy, forward, even screen record. You can also save videos and images from private channels, no restrictions at all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.